If you're looking into prescription medications for weight loss, two of the biggest names you'll come across are Zepbound and Wegovy. Both have helped many people achieve significant weight loss, but they work differently and have their own advantages and disadvantages. So, which one might be the better option in 2026? In this comparison, we'll look at how Zepbound and Wegovy work, their pros and cons, and the key differences you should know before talking with your healthcare provider. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Wegovy. Wegovy contains the active ingredient semaglutide. It belongs to a class of medications called GLP-1 receptor agonists, which help reduce appetite, slow stomach emptying, and increase feelings of fullness. Wegovy is FDA approved for chronic weight management in eligible adults and certain adolescents when combined with a reduced calorie diet and increased physical activity. One of Wegovy's biggest advantages is its long track record. It has been widely studied and has helped many people achieve meaningful weight loss while also improving certain weight-related health conditions. It's administered as a once-weekly injection, making it convenient for most patients. Now let's look at Zepbound. Zepbound contains tirzepatide, which works differently from Wegovy. Instead of activating only the GLP-1 receptor, it targets both the GLP-1 and GIP receptors. This dual-action approach may produce greater appetite suppression and, in clinical studies, has resulted in higher average weight loss outcomes for many patients. Like Wegovy, Zepbound is also injected once a week and is designed to be used alongside healthy eating and regular exercise. When comparing weight loss results, both medications have shown impressive effectiveness. However, clinical studies suggest that patients taking Zepbound achieved greater average weight loss than those using semaglutide-based treatments in many cases. It's important to remember that individual results vary, and no medication works the same for everyone. As for side effects, both medications are very similar. The most common include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, stomach discomfort, and reduced appetite. These side effects are usually strongest when starting treatment or increasing the dose, and they often improve over time. Another important factor is cost and insurance coverage. Depending on where you live, your insurance plan may cover one medication but not the other. Availability also varies by country, so it's important to check with your healthcare provider and insurance company. So, what are the pros and cons? Wegovy offers years of clinical experience, proven effectiveness, and a well-established safety profile for weight management. Zepbound offers a newer dual-action mechanism and has demonstrated greater average weight loss results in several clinical studies, making it an attractive option for many eligible patients. Ultimately, the best medication depends on your medical history, your weight loss goals, possible side effects, insurance coverage, and your healthcare provider's recommendation. Neither medication should be used without medical supervision, and both work best when combined with healthy eating, regular physical activity, and long-term lifestyle changes. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below sharing which medication you'd like to learn more about.